welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see here, I have this piece which is usually used to make a ribbing or a ribbing for our sweater or our vest. And as you can see, it is reversible. Today I am going to show you how to make this. It is very easy, and this is 100% acrylic and it's 8-ply acrylic yarn, and I will be using my 4.5 meter hook for this. And this is the length of this is 15 stitches. Okay, so you can adjust the length of your ribbing. So if you do 5, it will be small, so it only like 1 2 3 4 5, so it will just this part here. Okay, so that's 5, so your ribbing is small. And if you do like 10, and it will be around here. And this is 15 stitches. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin our tutorial. So I will leave it around there, and I will grab my yarn. As I mentioned, I am using an 8-ply acrylic yarn. Okay, so to start with, we are going to start with our slip knot. So create a circle and insert your hook and pull up the yarn and pull through, and you're making a knot. And to start is you have to decide, okay, what is the length of your ribbing. Okay, so with this one I have 15. Okay, for this tutorial I'm going to do 10. So single chain, we're going to chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so this is the length. So I mentioned before, so you will be working around here, less, a little bit shorter. Okay, so this one is 15. So if you want 15, and then you have this wide. If you want small, you can do 5 6 7 or something like that. Okay, so because we are going to do single crochet, so with single crochet we're going to chain 1 for our turning chain. Okay, so you have 11. So if you want even number, and then you have to chain odd number to start. And I will be working into this back loop, as you can see here. So this is our stitches, and you go around and you can see all these bumps into the back. So I will be working on that. Okay, so skip 1. So skip this into the next. We're going to insert, pull up a yarn, 2 loops, yarn will pull through 2, and go into the next bump, pull up a yarn, 2 loops, pull through 2, and continue doing a single crochet into the back loop. But if you want, you can just do a normal If you don't like the back loop, you can just do the normal single crochet. So it's your, you know, whichever you prefer, that's totally okay. And into the last stitch, single crochet. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So at the end of first row is you have 10 stitches or 10 single crochet. So in every row, to start with every row, we are going to chain one, and we're not going to count that as a stitch. And this row, so this one is our chain one, we skip that and we're going to work into the next one. So this back loop, so we have this V and this back loop here, we are going to work on that. So all these back loops only. So we are going to work these back loops only. And we skip the chain one, we always skip that, and then the next one back loop only, and we're going to single crochet. Okay, so this is the last stitch, and we're going to pick that up, the back loop only. So if you count, okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Just make sure that you have the same stitches in every row. Okay, so chain one and turn our work, and we will be working into this back loop again. Okay, so this row is, or this ribbing is just a repetition. We're working on the back loop single crochet. So all these rows until you have your measurement, you will be working a back loop single crochet. And this is the last stitch here, don't forget. So if it is easier for you, you can use a stitch marker, but you can always count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so you have complete stitches. And the next row is the same, chain one, skip that first, and then to the second one, back loop single crochet, into the next one, back loop, into the next one, back loop. And this is the last stitch. Okay, so with this one, we started with chain, and then we did to count the row is you have to count 1, 2. If you have these bumps here, that is 2 rows, and then this will be 2 as well. And just continue doing this until you have your measurement. So just be mindful that when you're using your yarn, so if the size is smaller, and then you will have a smaller result. If you're using a bigger size yarn and a bigger size hook, and it will be bigger as well. So if we compare here, so this one is 10 stitches, and as you can see, this one is 15 stitches. So 15 stitches and 10 stitches. Okay, so I'm using the same hook, so you will have the same result. It's just a little bit smaller, and you just have to continue doing this until you have your measurement. And sewing with the front loop and the back loop. Okay, so this is our V or our stitch. So as you can see, it's a V kind of shape. So this is our front loop that closer to you. This is the back loop that is farther from you. Okay, so with this, we only pick up this back post here, not both. So when you're doing the normal single crochet, you will pick up all of these, but doing the ribbing, you only pick up the back post of this stitch. So hopefully guys, it helps you understand, especially our beginners. It is a little bit complicated when you're learning, but don't make it, you know, too hard. Don't think too hard, I think. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so both sides will be the same, so it's reversible, so you can use either side. Okay, and chain one. So every row you have to do a chain one, and you have to skip that first stitch and just continue. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comment below. If you have any feedbacks as well, I would love to hear those, so I can improve my tutorial and yeah, continue my journey. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section below, and hopefully you like this video guys. And if you have any request, yes, I would love to. If you have any request for me to do a tutorial, please yeah, leave them on the comment section below, and I would love to yeah, read them, and hopefully I can do a tutorial for you. Okay, so this is the difference making the ribbings, and your stitches makes or adjust, okay, how long you want. You can do 20, you can do, if you want longer, you can add more chains and it becomes longer. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to smash that like button and share my video so others can see. And if you haven't subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will post a new video. And thank you very much for all my subscribers. Thank you for your support and for your love. And yeah, happy crocheting everyone, and until to the next video. See ya. Bye.